Classic pancake. These are the ingredients and materials that we will be using for today. Today, we will be making a classic pancake. First, we need to sift all dry ingredients in a bowl. After that, we form a well at the center of the bowl. Now, let's prepare all of the wet ingredients. Place all wet ingredients such as the milk, egg, melted butter, vinegar, and vanilla at the center of the well. Using a rubber spatula, gently fold all ingredients together. Make sure to not overmix. Overmixing will give you a flat pancake. On a low heat, heat a non-stick pan and brush it with a little bit of butter. Pour in 1/4 cup of the batter mixture in the pan. Then set a timer for 1 minute and 15 seconds and cook one side. Now, we flip the pancake to cook the other side for another 45 seconds. Now, let's see what my pancakes look like. Ta-da! These are my pancakes. Now, let's enjoy these scrumptious pancakes, huh?